just a quick video today. I just wanted to demonstrate on how to clean the buckle and the other metal components of your chin strap for your slouch hat. Here's the old one that we took off a previous hat. You can do this whilst the chin strap is on the hat, which most people do, but just for the purpose of demonstration, just for ease of demonstration, I'll just use this one that we have taken off the hat. So essentially the parts here, the metal parts, the buckle, and also the upper parts that are metal as well, it's quite common for them to get a build-up of green gunk on there, and it's essentially that what it is your sweat reacting with the metal of the belt and causes a green build-up of deposits there. What we're going to do to clean that today is we're going to use methylated spirits and a cotton bud to get that out and clean it all up. Any excess that's left over by doing that will just move out of the way by using a flat blade screwdriver, similar to what we used in our previous videos when we were placing the chin strap. And that's just the main part of the video. What I wanted to do as well is just see if I can rejuvenate this chin strap as well. And to do that, I'm just going to give it a clean and then also place some leather conditioner on it. That'll be towards the end of the video. I just want to see what the results will be, because it is well worn and well used. I just want to see if we can bring it up. Right, so the first part will be the actual cleaning of the buckle. Okay, so with the cleaning of the buckle, I'll just place the cotton bud in there, give it a healthy dip into the methylated spirits, and just apply that onto the buckle itself. I'm doing the outside first, and just let that work in there. Once we've done that, we'll just push the leather through to get the access into all parts of it, and also do it from the underneath. And you can see there's an eyelet there as well with the build-up of the green on it, so we'll give that a working over with the metho. Just allow it to work in and settle in. I've seen people use Brasso in lieu of the methylated spirits. As you can see, it really does work really well, so it's getting rid of that straight away. Why I don't recommend using Brasso is what Brasso will do. Once you've seen Brasso dry, it'll dry green. Alright, so you're essentially replacing green with green. So therefore, just use the methylated spirits. You can see how well it works on that particular brass bit there. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll go through and do the remaining buckles and bring it back and show you. The other method you can use is just take that buckle all the way off and thread it all the way off the chin strap, and then thread it back on again to get best access to it. But I'll go through and bring you back when I'm finished. I'll just use a fresh part here so you can see how well it cleans. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll just slide this buckle off. Just draw the strap through that end and slide it off. So I'll just take that leather away from it. There you go. You can see where it's been sitting there. It's built up the deposit on the leather itself. So that gives you a little bit more access to the buckle, and I'll do some more work on it from there. Right, so as we work our way through it, we get up to the top buckle there, closest to the top of the hat. You can see just by sliding the top leather around, you can get to all the deposits underneath it there. So we'll go ahead and clean that out. Works really well, the metho, really does. And the final bit to do after you're happy with getting the large amounts off with the metho is just working in there with your jeweler's screwdriver. To get the remaining deposits off. Right, so this is good for preventative maintenance as well. So rather than waiting, for a large green deposit to build up, when you have 5 minutes spare, just grab your cotton buds with a little bit of metho and rub it on there before it gets to a critical mass. Right, so we've just gone over all the metal brass buckles on the chin strap. We've got the majority of the deposits off with the metho and the cotton buds. So now it's just a matter of going over and getting more intricate detail in the more sort of ingrained deposits off, just by using the screwdriver. So you can see the difference now that this is making just by doing that. So I'll go ahead and do the remainder of the buckles and bring you back. Right, so there we have the finished product from cleaning all of the brass on there. Now, the metho works really well, so I recommend that. So now what I'll do is I'll just quickly run over it. I'll give it a quick clean with the leather cleaner and then buff it off, place on some leather conditioner, see what that does to the belt, correction to the chin strap. Let's see how that looks. Right, so just spray that on, do both sides, give it a quick clean, actually scrub off with the green side of a sponge. Once I've done both sides, I'll just wipe it off, get all the excess, any dirt off there. You can see it's quite dirty. Just give it a quick wipe off. There's quite a bit of grime coming off that. Right, so I'll just finish that off and then I'll bring it back in for the conditioner. Right, so I've given it a clean there. There's quite a bit of grime on there actually. I haven't had that for a while, so you can see just by what was left here on either side of the towel, just how much was on there. So go on with the leather conditioner now. See what this does to bring it up. So it's just a matter of applying that to the leather and working it in and letting it sit so I can draw into the leather. Now, so on my other video about the chin straps is when I just, if you haven't seen it already, is the replacement of a chin strap. You can see I placed the conditioner on the new chin strap before I placed it onto the hat. Like any leather product, It's good to condition it, especially the chin strap. It's probably the least loved of all leather that you have on your uniform. It seems to get neglected. So if you look after it, it'll, especially for your grade 1, always looks much better. I'll do the other side. Just let it sit there and I'll bring you back for the finished product. Right, so I've let the conditioner settle in. And I'll just buff off the excess. You can already feel how much softer it is just by applying that conditioner there. Right, so there we have the finished product. Remember to use the metho with the cotton buds. You can do that on the Slouch Hat, and to do it frequently so you don't get that build up of green gunk on there. So it does work. It's over to you. Thanks very much.